In the next problem, we have a plastic ball in a liquid that is acted upon by its weight and by a buoyant force. We know that the weight is 2.6 newtons and that the buoyant force has a magnitude of 4.4 newtons, which is acting vertically upward. It says at a certain point the ball has a zero velocity, and at that exact moment the external force acting on the ball has an acceleration of 3 meters per second squared in the downward position. So the question is, find the external force and its direction. So we just drew a representation of what was written over here. So based on the Newton's law, the sum of all the forces equals mass by acceleration. We encounter the weight, which is going down, and the acceleration is going down as well. That makes the weight be positive, and then plus the external force, what we're trying to find, minus the buoyant force, which in this case is going upwards, based on the question, all equals ma. Therefore, we just do some algebra. We put in the values, we move everything to the right side so we can find the external force, and we end up with 2.60 newtons going in the downwards direction.